So I just woke up. It's about 10 a.m. and start off my morning cuddling with Nora because that just makes it a happy day. So we're gonna cuddle for a little bit. I'm gonna play some games on my phone. Right now, I'm just posting a new video that really should have been posted like a week ago. So while I wait on my video to process, I'm gonna watch this video from Alicia Marie. Ignore my extremely messy room, but I just put up my hair and did some of my makeup, just some mascara and concealer. And I just have on my hoops that I always wear in these little studs. And I'm gonna show you guys my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this little tie-up little peasant top from Francesca's. My shorts are from Madewell and my shoes are just my Birkenstocks. So yeah. I finally washed my pillowcases for those and these shrunk in the wash. So now they look really not great. So I'm sad. So for breakfast, I'm just having a Kind bar and almond butter and a strawberry Go-Gurt and then a Dr. Neff. And while I eat breakfast, I'm going to watch Ugly Betty on Hulu. So I'm about to go run some errands and I have my Hydro Flask filled. I'm using the big one today because I'm trying to drink a little more today. And yeah, so gotta run a bunch of errands. So I have to return these 2 textbooks back to the bookstore today, and then I am dropping this off to someone that I'm selling it to. So I just got back from going to TJ Maxx and I didn't really find anything. I mean, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but now I'm gonna have me some kebabs for lunch. I don't know why I want kebabs, but I do. And I'm also gonna make one for later on tonight to eat. That way I have dinner too. So while I was out, even though I didn't find anything at TJ Maxx, I did get my textbook in the mail, and also I got a package from American Eagle. I scared the cat. Let's see if I can get it out. So I got this hat that just says American Eagle on it. It's just a simple navy cap. And then I got this button-up shirt that's like pink and white striped. And I got these for one of the days that we're having for recruitment because we're having like a frat out theme for work week. So I got that for work week. Now I'm buying a pair of Birkenstocks. I'm just getting the black version of the brown ones I have because I really need a pair of like nice casual sandals. And I know they're like a pricey sandal, but like I wear them all the time, so I know it's gonna be 100% worth it for the price because I wear them literally every day. And I needed like a nice black sandal to match like all of my black stuff because I'm OCD and I can't stand like mixing black and brown, which I know. Yeah. Watching her look out her spot in the window is literally the cutest thing ever. She's so cute. So I'm about to take a little nap because I got no sleep last night, but I'm only gonna take like an hour and a half nap, and I'm gonna set an alarm for it. So now I'm getting some dinner. I'm gonna just cook this little kebab right here. And then I'm going to put these little vegetables in my air fryer. So far, everything tastes good. So now I'm gonna take a shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair though, because I plan on working out in the morning. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, take a shower, and start getting ready for the night. So I just took my shower, and now I'm gonna be having some dessert. For dessert, I'm just gonna be having some of this keto ice cream, and it's in the flavor butter pecan, which is one of my favorite flavors other than mint chocolate chips. So that's what I'm gonna be having for some dessert tonight. Someone came to cuddle with me while I watched some Ugly Betty. Little Nola. So I'm watching some ASMR, and then she's over here like, how are you comfortable? She's literally like crooked. Beat those pretty yellow eyes. But she's kind of, I don't think she wanted me to interrupt her. Oh, okay, ow. So I just took my medicine, I'm going to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's about 11 o'clock, and I just woke up. I look rough, but I'm just cuddling with my cat. And yeah, we're just having our morning cuddle time because she's so sweet. So that's my outfit. Just have on this little tank top from Free People, and my shorts are just my Madewell shorts from yesterday. So that's what I'm wearing today. So now I'm just making my coffee. I'm using, forgot ice. So I'm just putting in my ice. I don't want a lot of ice, so yeah. So I've switched up how I do my coffee lately. Because I used to do it with like regular almond milk, and I used to add a lot. And I want more coffee this time. So I'm gonna start off with my coffee and actually make it in. Go. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this. Nice and opened up. Using chocolate, silk, almond, and cashew milk. Add a little bit of that in. And then I started using a different creamer. I haven't used it yet though. I don't even know how to open this crap. How do I open this? The creamer I'm using is the Starbucks Hazelnut Mocha Macchiato, and I don't know how to work the cap, so I just took it off. I'm gonna add a little bit into there. Not a lot. Created a mess trying to open this thing. And then I take some of these like plastic reusable straws and just use that for my coffee. Roll it on up. And there you go. That's my coffee that I make now. So yeah. I'm about to start my journaling for the day, and this is the journal that I chose for today. I just found it on Pinterest. Really like finding these little guided things on Pinterest to do. There you go. I just finished my journaling, and now I'm just gonna relax and watch TV. So lately I've been wanting to get a pair of cowboy boots because I live in the South, so everyone kind of has one, but there's a problem. They're literally all like $100 to $300. Why do they have to be so expensive? So right now I'm trying to finish like a little DIY project I started like several months ago. So I have this little thing that I took out and put like floral foam, and I have all these extra flowers from when I did my Biggs paddle, and then I'm gonna be using my X-Acto knife to cut the flowers out. So that's what I'm doing. I need to finish it up a little bit by adding some white paint to the areas that are brown, but that's the finished product. I just got ready for work, and now I'm about to just go run out to my car and grab my Hydro Flask so I can fill that up so I can drink some water during work. I got my Hydro Flask filled up, and I'm on my way to work. I'm ready, got my name tag on, and I'm about to head into work. And it's not a closing shift, so I won't be getting off too late tonight. I just got home from work and took a shower, and now I'm just curled up on my couch about to watch some TV. So I'm feeling super tired, so I'm going to bed now.